It may be raining outside, but I still don't have to go to the grocery store. I can go right here in my backyard. So let's prepare some dinner for tonight. First thing we're going to do is we are going to harvest a head of bok choy right here. So I'm just going to pull it. And we'll put it right in our basket. I've been waiting for the perfect time to try this purple bok choy, and tonight is going to be the night. I'm going to actually mix it with the bok choy that we just used. So I'm just going to get a really small one. So I'm going to pick this one out right here on the end, and we are going to mix in the two together. So remember, carrots are always a surprise whenever I get ready to pull them. But actually, let's go over in the other part of the garden, because these are the rainbow carrots here, but I planted another variety this season and I think they're just about ready. So let's go over to another variety of carrot. So we're gonna harvest some carrots, but I just want y'all to see some of these animals are really trying me up here lately, and I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. I can't get to the bottom of it today because it's sprinkling just a little bit, but I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. Let's pull up this carrot. Remember, they're always a surprise, but look how beautiful that is. And this is just enough for what we need. That's really a pretty color. You know what? Let's just go ahead and do another one as well. We're gonna pull this one up too. Perfect. So we'll use these two carrots as well. So we're gonna come back over here and get some bunching onions. I'm actually gonna pull some from up here. That way it'll thin it out just a little bit so the calendula can continue to grow. So let me pull a couple out just from the base right here. We're just gonna give these a little bit of tug. There we go. So we have some bunching onions to go in our meal. And I think I'm gonna put in a few herbs. Let's go ahead and get some more cilantro because quite frankly, I can. And like I always tell y'all, who's gonna stop you? So get as much or as little as you like. I just need just a little bit. So we're gonna grab some cilantro.